proving once again dreams come true. Hi, I'm Susan Semmelmann, and here is another showstopper dream home that we have created just for you. Making feature fireplace walls are what Susan Semmelmann Interiors loves to do. We insert right here this copper metal that went all the way up the ceiling, making it with sections of Decton. What's incredible about this fireplace is it wraps 4 sides all the way around, but it's a 2-sided fireplace. In this living room, everything is custom designed perfectly with all of the color palettes that we did with the smoky blues and the coppers. Being that it's contemporary Cowtown, we wanted to make sure that we got animal prints, hair hides, things that replicate textures and metals. This coffee table we designed, it's part of our Susan Semmelmann Interiors collection. We love to CAD draw our furniture and make everything unique. We applied the croc leather all the way around with the metal insets and ended up putting the antique mirror on top. When we do our homes for our clients, the one thing that we want to do is make sure that we do something unique, special, that you've never seen before. This vent hood, we designed this vent hood using the copper metals and the stainless, stacking it up with the insets that go all the way up. It's one of a kind and just a showstopper piece. This dining room is just spectacular. This table came from Italy. It's absolutely beautiful with the epoxy acrylic going on with the natural exotic woods that are flowing through it. We did the beautiful dining chairs that have a croc leather. Of course, we're tying back in that contemporary Cowtown with all the fabrics. We custom did all of our art. It's beautiful throughout the home with the amazing custom drapery. And then this wonderful wine temperature controlled cabinet here. We put the Octalam metal on the back and it's just beautifully displayed the way that we did all of the details, and we started with CAD from the very beginning to design exactly what we wanted. At the end of hallways, we always love using unique products from wallpaper, tiles, metals. We do all kinds of different products, but this is a beautiful wallpaper that kind of replicates a wood grain look, the custom art here that we had designed. And then right here, this beautiful console with the artistic element of putting moss inside of this branch accessory. In the dream homes, we want to always create unique spaces. Sometimes we'll do more of a masculine look, more of a feminine. This one is so fun. Here we manufacture all of our bedding and our draperies. So our workroom did a beautiful job here where we import fabrics all over the world and we can choose anything that you want. A lot of our beddings are reversible, so you can switch them and make them a summer, a winter, all kinds of unique things. This room here, we did the wallpaper on the back that kind of resembled a copper bronze look, again, reflecting a little bit of a wood grain feel since it was more masculine, with this headboard that we custom designed here with the hair hide running all the way through it, metal, and this beautiful wood. This master bedroom, we love using fresh, light colors. Here is a part of our Susan Semmelmann Interiors collection. We design all of our own beds. We use the antique mirror in here, the platinum wood, hair hide. We can go as high up or low, wide. Everything is very custom done in our collection. Also manufacturing all the beautiful bedding here that makes it quite unique for making it the perfect touch into the room. Another great feature is in this home we have a lot of custom rugs. Since this, we've started our own rug collection where we're designing a Susan Semmelmann Interiors collection that you'll be able to design anything that you want in any size. What we love about this bathroom is that grand entrance feel when you walk in and you see the spectacular glass tile that wraps this beautiful shower. In designing this bathroom, we always want to do something unique, something that you've never seen. So we took this cabinetry from a piece of furniture. It's actually fabricated with a laminate that looks like a swirled metal on top, but we love how the inset went in where the hardware goes all the way across. We believe that mirrors are opportunities to make spaces look glamorous and much larger for the space. Here we put the sconces and we actually took them up 2 on each side, so you had 4 on each one of the vanities with the mirror. Then we took the tile that went all the way around with this incredible wallpaper. As you enter in the guest bedroom, it's very fresh and just bright and light, from the custom rug that we selected the threads all the way to the manufactured bedding. The headboard is from our Susan Semmelmann Interiors collection, where we inset the stainless metal, and that made it a credible design off of CAD all the way through to manufacturing. Also in this room, if you'll notice, the bookshelves are very unique. We put glass and we did the wood there with the LED light shining all the way through so you could see the accessories perfectly. Our minds never stop when it comes to creativity. We always want to bring the game. This mural on the top is actually designed from a piece of art from one of our art lines, and it was done with the design from the actual machinery that flanked it that made it be able to expand to an incredible amount of space. So we are able to do that now with any piece of artwork. One other thing about this is the beautiful wallpaper, the custom beautiful lamps here with the purple that brought in the purple design, all in the bedding, all the way down to the accessories. The game room is an entertaining space. It actually has two levels to it. It has the pool table side as well as the conversation side. So what we did is we took 5 light fixtures that made it a grand span on the ceiling so that it was able to miter both areas together. As you enter the office, what's incredible is the feature wall. It had the CAD design that we designed all the way up the ceiling with the beautiful shelves. And then we took the metal wallpaper because it reflected off of the beautiful art. The Octalam metal was inserted in the cabinets because it brought together the beautiful stone to all the furnishings. We hope you've enjoyed contemporary Cowtown, and at Susan Semmelmann Interiors, we make your dreams come true.